Excuse me? What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
I got a hot chip in my mouth.
Paying for our food, that's for sure.
30 groups through a townhouse today in Narrabeen. People were lining up out the door, but some other opens we were kind of getting 5 to sort of 8 groups coming through. It's all over the place, but positive vibes out there. These chips are amazing.
Excuse me? What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Booming.
Excuse me? What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
We're about to see a very different property market. The government's just announced their change to low to medium density. Stay tuned.
And interest rates?
And interest rates.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Yeah.
Excuse me. What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
I don't know.
You work in a real estate agency.
I think it's doing well.
Excuse me? What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Property market's hot, like the weather up here. We're seeing a lot of new listings coming, which is really exciting. And the recent rate cut news is good news for buyers to put their foot through the door.
Excuse me?
Hello.
What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
It is definitely starting to pick up. It started off a little bit slow this year in January, but I think we've had a couple sales over the last week or so, so it's starting to pick up after those interest rate drops.
Oh.
I'm melting.
Excuse me? What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Rentals are very low in stock. If you're a tenant looking out there, put your best foot forward and apply for everything and turn up to the open homes.
Not what the media's saying. The media's saying the rental market's slowing down.
Maybe in the city, but on the beaches, it's always hot.
Excuse me?
Hello.
What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Well, up in DY, we're having large demand with low stock, especially for maybe about average 2-bedroom rentals. I think in the city, though, it is slowing down. So if you're looking for something really good and in some fantastic weather, you have to come to the northern beaches.
Hey. Excuse me, Eshay. Excuse me? Hi. What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Property market at the moment in the northern beaches is actually moving quite fast. We've leased out a lot of properties recently. There's more of a demand at the moment, so we're trying to meet that. I had over 20 people at one property today, so people are really excited. We're getting good prices at the moment as well, so that's good.
Excuse me? What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Sorry, one sec. Just give me one moment, Chris. Hello.
Hi, what's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Oh, property market. Heating up, definitely. Seeing a lot of houses come in the rental market. Recently leased one on the outskirts of Warriewood, 111A Orchard Street, and have another couple coming in Cromer. So a lot of heating up, a lot of houses coming on the market, which is interesting.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Excuse me? What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Oh my God, this is just good.
Do I really talk and be like normal about like, well, the rental market's very busy at the moment. I know that you really love that word.
Yep.
Quite a new one's coming on.
Informative. Excuse me, what's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Oh, the property market is amazing. Like, it's taking off. It's taking off. 2025 is when it's going to really happen because, I mean, the interest rates are coming down.
Whoa. Excuse me, what's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Well, I can see a lot of motivation in the market with the interest rate coming down. Hope is the first of many. There's some orange juice, not Hungry Jacks. So hopefully we see a lot of buyers out there, and it will be the first of many.
Whoa. Excuse me, what's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Again, 1 and 2 bedders doing really well. We're getting about anywhere between 15-20 on first opens for that sort of property. So we'd definitely suggest that's the hot topic. Those beginners moving into the market with interest rates coming down is what it's all about. So guys, if you've got 1-2 bed considering selling, take advantage of the opportunity.
Wow. Excuse me. What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
We already had this conversation.
Oh.
I just want to eat my chips now. We've had this conversation.